Welcome back to Ram's Tutorial Educational Channel. So this video guys, I will show you how to solve, to add or subtract dissimilar fractions. For adding or subtracting dissimilar fractions, we have the following steps. Una, or the first, we need to rename the fractions as similar fractions using the LCD or the least common denominator of the fractions. The second one, pangalawa po, we need to express the answer in lowest form if needed kapag kinakailangan natin na ilo-lowest term pa natin or lowest form. So for example, paano po? Okay, we have here, number 1, ang una natin isosolve is, we have 3/8 plus 1/2. Okay, this equation guys, it shows about dissimilar fraction. Why? But this is adding dissimilar fraction. It's just because we use an addition sign. So now, dissimilar fraction because our denominator is different. The first fraction is 8 denominator and the second fraction is 2 denominator. Now, to find or to rename this fraction into similar fractions, so we need to unlock first. Paano po? Okay, simply i-rename po natin. Hanapin natin ang LCD ni 2 and 8, which is, we're going to write 8. Okay, yon ang LCD po nila. Ano na po ang sunod natin gagawin? What is next? You need to write it first, step by step guys. Division symbol. We need to divide first the first LCD to the first fraction. Sa unang fraction po. 8 divided by 8. Samahan nyo ako guys. 1. Then multiplied 1 to 3. 1 times 3, the answer is 3. So meron na tayong 3/8. Right? So meron na tayong 3/8 yan guys. So now, yung second fraction naman po ang gagawin natin, which is 1/2. So meron na tayong denominator na 8. All we need to do is that, same procedure po, we need to divide it. 8 divide 2, the answer is 4. Tama? I'm right. Next step is we need to multiply that. After divide, multiply, okay? 4 times 1, the answer is 4. So the second fraction is 4/8. So meron na tayong similar fraction because same denominator. 3/8 plus 4/8. Next thing we do, pa-plus na natin yung first numerator to second numerator. 4 plus 3 guys. So, lalagyan natin 4 plus 3. So, the answer is 7. So, we need to copy this one, the denominator, even though, kasi similar fraction na po sila. Hindi na natin ipa-plus yung 8 plus 8 like that. 7, 8. Now, chair, pwede pa ba lowest form? Kasi sabi daw, ilo-lowest form. Hindi po. If needed lang po. Kapag kinakailangan lamang. Pero kapag hindi naman po, nakikita naman po natin, yung given natin din po, dyan is 3/8 plus 1/2. Right? So, 3/8 plus 1/2. So, nakikita natin ng result ng sagot natin is 7/8. Where would you get 7? By adding 3 and 4 or 4 plus 3. So, same sum pa rin yan guys. That is 7. So, we just copy the denominator only. So, we didn't want to add. Hindi na natin ngayon i-add po. Sunod natin na gagawin po, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang subtracting dissimilar fraction. How to subtract. Tapos na natin po, okay, si addition, how do you add or subtract dissimilar fraction? Kasi yun po yung question natin dyan, kung paano natin gagawin. Okay? So, naipakita ko na guys si addition or adding dissimilar fraction. Now, we're going to proceed to number 2, which is subtracting dissimilar fraction. This is number 2. Yan. Si number 2 na tayo guys ha. Si dissimilar fraction, which is subtracting po. We need to subtract. We have our given. The first fraction is 4/6. Tingnan nyo guys. Minus, syempre, ilalagay natin kung ano pong inano natin. 2/12. Same procedure guys. I-rename natin or hahanap tayo ng LCD between 6 and 12. Commonly guys, automatic 12 po ilalagay natin. Hindi po natin i-multiply si denominator to denominator because obviously 12 ang pwede natin gamitin. Same procedure guys, put division symbol. So we need to divide it. 12 divided by 6, the answer is 2. Same procedure guys, step by step. 2 times 4, the answer is 8. Ayan, meron na tayong first fraction na nagawa which is 8/12. Teacher Ram, ano pong sunod? Siyempre, yung second fraction natin which is 2/12. Ito po yun guys. Okay? Now, we need to divide it. 12 divided by 12 is 1 times 2 is 2. So, ang second fraction natin guys, 2/12. So, dito po, ang skills na kailangan natin dito, multiplication skills rather, division skills, and addition and subtraction skills. Okay? Now, let us proceed guys. Subtract na natin si 8 kay 2. Ibig sabihin, 8 minus 2. Dahan-dahan lang ni teacher para maintindihan na. So, 8 minus 2 guys, yan. Lagay natin dito 6. Bring down 12. Kasi po, itong si 12 na to, na denominator, bakit dalawa po? Kasi 2 fractions, but we need only to write 1 or copy the denominator only. No need to subtract it. Okay? Now, sure, pwede pa po natin, ito na po yung final answer natin, si 6/12. Hindi pa po. Hahanap po tayo sa kanya ng LCD ni 6 at 12. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Anong pwede natin na common factor or least common denominator of 6 and 12. Okay? So, guys, ito po ang common LCD natin kay 6 and 12. Okay? So, we have here, i-divide natin siya guys by 3. Yan. 6 divide 3, the answer is 2. 12 divide 3, the answer is 4. Pwede pa din natin to lowest form by dividing by 2's. 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. So, ito na po yung pinaka LT or lowest form. Okay? Naintindihan po? Did you understand? Thank you again, my dear viewers, for watching Ram's Tutorial Educational Channel, and please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube tutorial. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell icons so that you're updated on our latest video tutorial. Bye!